Oh. Oh. Was all a dream. That sounds, I got scared for a second. I'm like, what is all of this? Man's imagination is running wild. Oh God. Whoa! She is. I think this is the new opening. It sounds really good. And both of them are into him. Oh, so her name is Reze. So the whole movie is just about her. Man, he's messing with two really powerful women. She knows. Man, and isn't she like really strong? I think I saw her transform before. I'm scared for him. I'm scared. Oh.